Hi, this is Dennis from KwikGig, and let me show you one of the features of KwikGig out of the three main actions here, which is to generate a code. So if you want to generate a code, for example, a prospective client emails you for a particular project, invites you to do a web design for them, you can start generating code in KwikGig and even start generating proposals. But let's start with a code. So let's say he's asking you to do a website redesign. You put a title of web design, client name, for example, and the email. You also select the project type, which is a website. Select the complexity, if it's a simple, standard, or advanced complexity of a project. Let's choose standard for now. Timeline, it's flexible, normal, or something urgent, because KwikGig will automatically compute the quote for your project based on this timelines and complexity. The rate type, hourly rate, daily, and full project. Let's go for full project. And for example, he's asking for like 5 web pages. This is just an example. Let's just put it around $900, right? And then you can even put a discount here if you want the client to have a sense of urgency that he has to accept the project right away because he's going to get a 5% early bird discount if he accepts your code early. Then that's a good way to actually catch his attention. Now you can start cooking your code. So right now you see here that your code is ready. The base project rate is $900 with a complexity of 1.3, timeline of 1.5, an urgent timeline. So total is $1,755. With a discount of 5%, you got a total amount of $1,667. KwikGig is also here to help you out to generate a proposal just in case you're lazy to start off something from scratch. So if you want to create a proposal based off of this code, you can go to the add professional proposal box right here. Select a tone. Let's say we go for friendly, and you can start generating your proposal right away. And you can see right here, we have generated a structured code, and it's cleanly structured in a way that the client would understand all the inclusions that you have coded for. Of course, you can actually edit it. You can even regenerate, right? You have text styling here so that you can actually stylize your code, but it's already given you a clean layout and sectioning enough for the client to understand what you're coding for. We have here is giving you an idea like the project title. You can even edit all of this to make it look like, stacked up like this. You have the executive summary, the project overview, scope of work, deliverables, and you can edit it as you wish based on your preferences. Now, if you are fully satisfied with your generated proposal in code, you can now save and send to client, or even save as draft for the meantime. But let's try to save and send for the client, and then you can see that the code will be shown here on your code pages, and that is already here with the status of send. You also have actions to compose another code for the client, follow up, which goes to an overlay of how to follow up to your client, and you can actually generate another proposal or keep the one you already have, right? You also have an archive action and even to delete the code entirely. So that's how easy it is to send a code.